What's up, y'all? With your girl Mimi. Welcome to Mimi's World. Okay, so today we are going to do a review on this box that I have. Let's see what we got. So for about, let me see, I want to say a year, I've been getting Snack Crate. And Snack Crate is basically you can get snacks from different countries. And I've been following Snack Crate. I follow Snack Crate on Instagram. I follow Snack Crate on Facebook. That's actually how I first started getting them, watching them eat it and how funny they was. So this is my first time actually recording my reaction to it. I've had a few boxes. I've had Canada, I've had Hawaii, I've had the UK, and I believe I had Brazil. So this is what I'm talking about. This is my Snack Crate. You get these every month. I believe they're about $25, between $25 and $30, somewhere in there. And you get one every month, and every month is a mystery. So let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. Okay, so you guys, I got, see that? The Netherlands. Ooh, y'all, I got the Netherlands. So let's do, so over here, just gives you like a rundown about the Netherlands and fun facts. So let's do some fun facts about the Netherlands. So the capital of the Netherlands is Amsterdam. That's what's up. It was established in January 30th, 1648. Okay, so let's do some fun facts. On average, Dutch men are the tallest people in the world. I didn't know that. The Dutch are the largest consumers of licorice, eating over 70 million pounds every year. You see, that's problematic for me because that's nasty. Like, I don't even like licorice, so especially black licorice. Like, I don't like Twizzlers. I don't like none of that. So I wouldn't have been a part of that nation. The audio tape, videotape, and CDs were all invented in, y'all know I can't say this word, by the Dutch company Philips. I'm not even about to butcher it because I don't want nobody that's from the Netherlands coming for me because I can't pronounce y'all words properly. So I'm not gonna do it. There are more bikes, over 18 million in the Netherlands, than there are people. Sure. Known globally as the flower shop of the world, more than 75% of the world's flower bulbs come from the Netherlands each year. That is what's up. So it's located in Western Europe. The Netherlands is a land of the rich and history of cultural influence. With over 26% of its area located below sea level, this is low country. Interesting. So they have like this little QC scan barcode down here, and you can listen to like music, different type of they have like a Dutch playlist that you can do. It's pretty dope. So yep, little fun facts about the Netherlands. And then also they give you a little card to let you know when your stuff expires. I think that's also dope because you could probably snack on it today and not pick it up for another week, but always good to have the expiration date, so always follow this. Okay, let's open this thing up. All right. All right, so instantly I see that I have chips. So I'm going to show you what I have. So I have these. Can y'all see that? These are Lay's. Everything is in Dutch. So Wonkels. Okay, so another bag of chips. Crooks. I'm guessing this is the flavor. It looked like it says bologna in a different language, but who am I? I don't know Dutch, so I'm just going to keep stressing that. So if I mess it up, I apologize. So I see we have another bag of Lay's chips. These are potato joppies. I'm guessing that's the potato flavor. Joppy. So yeah. What the? I don't know what this is. Doesn't really. Yeah, I don't know what this is. I don't know. Y'all can't read that, can y'all? Can y'all read it? No, oh well, I'm sorry. So, it looks like a cigar. I think this has cinnamon on it, and if it does, I'm gonna be upset because I do not like cinnamon. So we'll see. Okay, so we have some candy. Yeah, everything is literally, it says I heart veggie on the side, so I don't know. I have a windmill cookie. I actually like windmill cookies. Those are really good. I actually like those with some milk. Don't judge me. Okay, so what? Okay, this smells like cinnamon and nutmeg. This is some type of bread. Y'all like my nails? My sister said that my nails was giving her Oh Holy Night vibes. In the middle of summer. Okay, so I have some more candy. I love candy. Like, I love candy. Really? Fun fact. The Dutch are the largest consumers of licorice. You say? And then the audacity of you to give me a big bag of black licorice. I'm only going to try this because of, I'm going to try everything in the bag. But I stress to you that I do not like licorice. So I already know I'm not going to like this. But, and they will give you a big bag of it. Like, come on now. Stroop waffle. It has caramel. Why everything got cinnamon in it, bro? Look. All right, so that's what this is. I'm actually kind of excited to try these chips. And then I just have random pieces of candy at the bottom. Can you see that? Just candy. All right. So that is everything in the box. The box is empty. I'm gonna put this box right here. All right, I don't know. I think I want to try the chips first. So these are, let me get me a bottle of water because this say paprika flavor. That means it's spicy. Hold on. Because I'm going to need it, apparently. Messing with the paprika and stuff. All right, I got my bottle of water. All right, y'all, so I'm going to start with the waffles first. Get a little ASMR going. Okay, so they smell like cheese. See that? Okay, woogles, waffles. It's giving me like, what's that chip? What's that restaurant that used to make chips? Was it TGI Fridays? They used to make the chips. I think it's TGI Fridays, if I'm not mistaken. They used to make the chips. You could buy them at the store. That's what these taste like. Okay, so these. So I left off on these. TGI Friday chips for sure. I could definitely see myself eating these. I like the crunch. They're really light, not really heavy, and they don't have a bad aftertaste. So I like these. These are really good. Really good. Okay, so let's do, I don't know what I want to do next. I did a chip, so I know. Let's eat this windmill cookie. So this is the windmill cookie. Ooh. These nails gonna be the last, definitely. Like I said, I love windmill cookies, so. Okay, the Netherlands come through. Come through with the Dutch cookie. Stop it. Don't play with her. This is so good. I'm about to eat this whole thing. I don't even care. Oh my God. Like, it's so good. Like, if you ever had a windmill cookie, you know, if you never had a windmill cookie before, you don't know what you're missing. Okay, they're so good. They are like so good. They should have put 2 of these in a box, I swear. Okay, so I like these. That was good. Okay. I'm really trying to avoid this licorice because I really do not want to eat it on life. Or anything I love, I don't. So, ugh. So I'm gonna eat these. They smell like kettle chips. Give me a nice size one. Okay, like, it got a flavor, but I don't know. Oh, my bad, I'm spitting. My bad, y'all. It has a flavor, I just don't know what it is. Like, I can take, hold on, let me eat on this side of my mouth. Let me eat on, because this side not working. Let me see if my taste buds on my right side to get the tingling. I don't know what they taste like, but it's good. Like, it just got an onion. It literally has the onion and tomato and seasonings on it. And I don't know what this means. But whatever this is, okay, I'm not gonna lie, the chips is good. I could do these. I don't know. What is this taste I'm tasting? Like, it's familiar. You know how like when you eat something, it's a familiar, it tastes like you had it before? I've had this flavor before, I just don't know where. It's not sour cream and onion. It's not, because that's what you would think it would be, a sour cream and onion, but it's not. Like, it's not a sour, I can taste the onion, but it's not the sour cream. Like, is it like, I don't know. I don't know, but it's good. It's good. I like these. I'm gonna rate these. I give these a 7. It's about the 7 too. The windmill cookie get a 10 out of 10 because the windmill cookie slap. Okay, so let's do some candy. I'm excited because I love candy. Like, candy. Oh my God. This smells so good. Candy like makes me so happy. Like, it ain't nothing like just a good piece of candy. Wait a minute. Okay, so Y'all ever had the arrow, the airheads with the little sugar on it? That's what it tastes like initially when you put it in your mouth. But some type of reaction just happened on my tongue and I ain't like it. It's like tingling. Look, I shouldn't have to be doing all that with a piece of candy. I shouldn't. It's good, but like, once you get over that part, it's really sweet. Like, I don't know, y'all. Like, but it's like, you see I'm still eating it though, so I don't know. So far, so good. So far, so good. I'm gonna give this a 6, only because I don't like how it's sizzling on my tongue. Candy not supposed to do that. I feel like I need something salty. Now I need something salty to take away from that. Ugh. All right, so let's do one of these. I'm guessing this is a piece of candy. Let's see. It looked like one of those little caramel candies. Ugh. Okay, Huh. Come on, Netherlands. Come on. Coffee flavored candy? Coffee flavored candy? Really, Netherlands? That's what we doing? Nah, that's not it, sis. I don't want, when I bite into a piece of candy, I don't want to taste coffee. I ain't really rocking with it like that. It's like, I feel like it's for older people that like coffee drinkers. Like, I like iced coffee, but that don't mean I want my candy to taste like I just went to Starbucks. I'm not, So, I want, and they gave me 4 of these. So, this is the coffee flavored candy. I'm not. All right, y'all. So, let's do these boys. Ooh, These smell like honey mustard. I think that's what it is. No. Fuck no. No. These taste like ramen noodles. No. Why? No. The chicken flavor. Those can go over there with the coffee candy because I'm not feeling it. I didn't appreciate it. And none of that. No. Do this. Stroop waffle. Okay, so it's for sure a waffle. That's what it looks like. I'm not going to eat this whole thing, so I'm just going to. Oh, I can't break it off. Okay, sorry. Oh my God. Oh my God. This tastes like an oatmeal cream pie and one of those Star Crunch mix. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, this is so good. My daughter's behind the camera. They're over there. Try it. It's good. I like this. I like this. Now this, with some iced coffee, or some ice cream, after a nice blunt, who you talking to? Stop playing. You can play with it if you want to. Oh my God. I gotta show y'all that again. Still waffle. Okay, Netherlands. I see what you're doing. That was good. That was really good. It's not really, it's sweet, but it's not an overkill. And I have cavities. It's not an overkill, it's perfect. It's really good. That was, so far, that's my favorite. And I like the chips, but that's my favorite. So we're gonna do fruitella. It's a candy. I'm almost done. I knew this wasn't gonna be a live video. So automatically, I'm getting like a mamba feel. If y'all know what mambas are, that's what I'm getting right now. I really, really hope that's what it tastes like, because I love mambas. I would say 9 later, but nothing compared to a 9 later, because it's a 9 later. Yeah, for sure, like a mamba. A mamba, yeah. The mamba candy, yeah. Oh my God. This one is. I don't even know. Okay, so I got raspberry, apple, blueberry, and lemon. Is this lemon? That one was raspberry for sure. Let's taste. Yeah, it's lemon. Okay. I like these. This is really good. Oh my God, that one messing with my cavity, I ain't gonna lie. These sweet. I can't eat a lot of with my cavity, but for sure. All right. This smells really good. I can smell it through the packaging, so hopefully it tastes as good as it smells. It's bread. I like bread, so. I don't know, it's like I want to like it, but that aftertaste is it's good because I can taste the cinnamon and the nutmeg, but the cinnamon is not an overkill because I don't really like cinnamon, so that's cool. The nutmeg is okay, but it's something else. I feel like I'm tasting pumpkin, but it tastes like some pumpkin bread, like for real. I'm feeling like pumpkin spice in there. Like I can taste it for sure. I feel like I'm eating. I feel like I ate a pumpkin spice latte in the bread. That's what this tastes like. I'm not really a fan of pumpkin spice. Like, I'll eat it if it's there, but it's not really my like straight go-to. So I'll give it like I'll give it a 6 because at first it was good, but that aftertaste, once I got to chew it, it didn't correspond with my palate. I'm scared to eat this, y'all. I'm about to open this next, and I'm gonna do that last. I'm gonna do this and just get it out the way because I already know I'm not gonna like it and it's gonna make me mad. Oh my I don't understand why y'all feel like we wanted a big bag of this. Don't nobody, I think I speak for everybody in the world who don't nobody like black licorice. It's disgusting. I understand y'all sell this over there in y'all country. That's cool. That's what y'all do. Go off, sis. That's what's up. Me, no. I knew I wasn't gonna like it. I did it because I was on camera, but never again. And then it's thick. It almost pulled my filling out. I'm not like, I think I'm just going to throw these in the trash at this point because they're not just going to sit there. Nobody's going to eat them. My daughter's not going to eat it, so I'm not even going to vote on those because that just pissed me off. I don't like licorice, so I knew I was going to be mad. So this is the last thing. Oh my God. I do not like cinnamon, and they literally gave me a whole cinnamon stick. People, it's literally, this is a cinnamon stick. Like, look, this is a cinnamon stick. It's covered in cinnamon. I'm scared. I'm scared to eat this. I'm scared. It's like doing a cinnamon challenge. Oh.
Mommy, just spit it out and drink your water. Spit it out and drink water.
No. You, no. That's disgusting. Oh. Up. Okay, so look. All right, Netherlands. Let's see. I did not like these. I didn't like. That's, you can miss me with that. I did not like these. I didn't. For damn sure, I ain't like this. You can go on with that. Kick rocks. Y'all was on some Scooby-Doo shit with that, for real. Straight Scooby-Doo. These in the middle. I'm in the middle. Like, I like them, but then that aftertaste, that chemical reaction on my tongue, I ain't like it. But they good, so they in the middle. This is a yes. Like, this hands down was the best thing in the box. Like, I'm gonna finish this after camera. I'm gonna eat the rest of this. I'm gonna put this in the freezer and put this where I have some vanilla ice cream. Amazing. These were okay. Like I said, these reminded me of the TGI Friday chips, and I can snack on these. I like them. These were good, but like I said, I couldn't really get the distinct taste of these. But it's something, but it's so good. So I like these. I didn't like this. I didn't like it. These are really good. The Mambas. These are actually the best candy in the bag. You see the licorice, these motherfuckers.